set up for a quick play. Hindi mo, puntos ulit. Basta kailangan ganun lagi. Quick play, quick back sets from Morado. Kailangan ganun, mabilis ang pace.
Given that the team of Vietnam kalma pa pag gano'n, parang yung talagang cool lang yung laro nila. Parang do you want na medyo disruptive tayo at mas mabilis yung play? What is the key for a quicker pace?
Ito kasing Vietnam, parang nothing phases them. So kailangan ng gawin ng Philippines. Wala pa ako nakikita ng combination plays. Kailangan mag-combination play sila para malito ang blockers ng Vietnam. Kailangan good first balls para meron kang running hit, meron kang vertical A-quick there from the Philippines para mabilis ang pace.
Service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Morado chases it down. Kaso magsusugo ng chance ball ang Pilipinas. Oh, huli sa taas! Saan ka pupunta?
At ganun dapat ang blocks. Diniredirect mo. Mabilis yung bagsak ng bola. Hindi ka lang tatalon para mag-block. There, look at that. A perfect block from Dakis.
And the block brought to you by Smart. Live more. Santiago sisters. Din Santiago Manabat. Jaja Santiago. We need every advantage we can get. And Jaja serves up an ace.
A big smile there from her. That ball hit the line. Medyo ipasok lang niya ng konti sa gitna ng court para hindi kabahan ang fans ng Philippines. So ipasok lang niya ang bola. And she does it well.
Off the blocker, cleaned up by Dakis. Excellent effort para sa Pilipinas. Basta wag lang mahuhulog ang bola. And there was a whistle in the point on a piece of Vietnam.
And I'm waiting for the signal of the referee.
Coach Roger doesn't like it.
I didn't see any infraction there from the floor defense. Maybe it was a net violation.
So ngayon, pati si Jovelyn Gonzaga wants to seek a clarification.
It was a clean play from where we are. So there's, I think, a jump ball there.
Tayo, nagulat. Biglang may pumito.
Maganda kasi yung galaw ng Philippines. Wala naman silang mukhang ginawang violation. Oh, it was a jump ball. There was an error there from the second referee.
It's a one-point game. And Dinton Manabat ties it up.
At yun naman pala ang dahilan kung bakit dinalakasan ni Jaji yung mga services niya, because she knows she can score from the area. Service area. Kita mo yun, ang lakas ng service niya, hindi nakontrol ng Vietnam na regalo, talaga namang tinanggap ni Dinton Manabat yung regalo ng Vietnam.
Jaja loading it up now, being more accurate. Morado keeps it alive. Valdez pushes it back, pagkakataon para sa Vietnam. Cross-court shot, and the finish.
That was an angled hit there by Min. As you can see, yung faces nila, wala pa ring scare. Late ang ating middle blocker. Butas na butas ang ating blocking at that time.
Solid serve. Binuhay ni Denden Lazaro. Jovelyn Gonzaga winds it up.
Ang ganda ng set ni Morado para kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. Our lefty. Look at this replay.
And you know what to do, Jovelyn Gonzaga. When you have the hammer, you put it down.
Halos walang nag-block kay Jovelyn doon. Halos hindi nga umangat yung lone blocker eh.
18-all in set number 3. Good read by Dakis. She's asking for it. And she will score!
And why not give it to her if she can deliver that way?
Lamang ang mga balibulistang Pinay.
This is the first time we took the lead against Vietnam. Wow, what a feat in itself, huh?
Kailangan magtuloy-tuloy. I think we took the lead early in the set, but now we have a chance to really put it away.
Good dig.
Dakis ulit. Huli sa taas. Goes inside the floor. At puntos para sa Vietnam.
Sayang, sabi ni Dakis nung tumira siya ng bola. Look at this replay. She goes up for that hit. Block na block siya.
Smart block brought to you by Smart Live More. You can see Vietnam showing respect dito sa attacking prowess ni Rachel Dakis. Double block against her.
Oh, alam nilang magaling si Dakis pumalo. Alam nilang may angulo mga palo nito.
Service brought to you by Smart Live More. Valdez from the back row. Excellent dig by Vietnam. They go to the outside and put it away.
That was a good down the line hit there by Nga. Yeah, pasok na pasok yun to zone 1.
Well, Valdez though, you have to credit her with the effort. Talagang dumayog pa siya.
Yes.
Hindi lang umabot sa bola. So 1-point game. Manabat at the net. Ball still in play. And they put it away.
Alam mo, makikita mo rin yung experience dito playing sa Vietnam. Scrambling na naman sila sa defense nila, pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan to earn a point. Look at that.
Calvin Gonzaga, the captain, still looking to lead the troops here in set number 3.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
Mami, bili tayong Milo.
Champion Mom ka with Milo Big Pack. The bigger the pack, the bigger the savings. Buy big now.
Team Pilipinas, lumalaban pa rin. Basta't pusong Pinay lumalaban, walang atrasan. Dindin Manabat, Rachel Dakis, and Gia Morado.
Yung mukha ni Manabat, game face siya Parang she wants the ball. She wants to create points for the Philippines. So tingnan natin yung play na gagawin ni Morado.
And Pilipinas on the board.
One more to go to tie the game.
At maririnig mo yung 7th man. Sabi nga nung isang nanonood sa Twitter, tumatago sa TV screen. Yung suporta ng 7th man. As Rachel Dakis prepares to serve, brought to you by Smart Live More.
And that's the one that gives energy din sa Philippines, yung 7th man.
Fortunately, again, in transition attack from Vietnam, as Gretzel Soldones, the Lady Beast,
With a
San Sebastian College now on the floor.
Yeah, with a big smile on her face kasi, yay! Iniisip niya, I could get the chance to play in the SEA Games.
Morado backstep, running attack, no finish. And there it is, Dindin Manabat.
Yun yung sinasabi natin pag maganda talaga ang first ball, meron tayong nasi-set up na play. At pag binigay mo kay Manabat na running, na favorite niya, talagang more often than not, pupunto siya.
You can see the game face now on the face of Dindin Santiago Manabat. A chance ball given up. Golden opportunity para sa Pilipinas. Jaja Santiago down the line.
That's a good play by Morado. Yan, utilize niya ang middle hitters niya. Dapat talaga parating gawin yan ng setter nating si Gia.
Gia creates, Jaja devastates. And this is a fight in set number 3.
Surprise!
May special price para sa Pinoy. Save up to 15 pesos. The Happy Classic White Trial Pack. Try mong sarap.
Rap sa mag-happy, rap sa maging Noypi.
And a timeout whistled here by Vietnam dahil nakikita nila itong Team Pilipinas. Lumilinis ang laro. Nagiging delikado para sa kanila. A lot of heroes are rising in this game. Iba yung pinagagalingan ng ating puntos at save.
And I think, that timeout was called by the coach of Vietnam just to break the momentum of Philippines. Kasi halos wala silang pinag-usapan during that break. Game face pa rin si Dindin.
Attack not over!
At yan, talaga namang, take advantage of this ang Team Philippines. 23 serving 22. If they can just make Vietnam create more mistakes. Yan, okay yan. Halimbawa ngayon, make a good service, let Vietnam make a mistake in their reception.
Sultanes chases it down. Excellent effort for the back row. Unfortunately, Vietnam finds the opening.
Vietnam found that opening fast because there was no blocker for Philippines at that time. 23 all. Tingnan natin, ako, kaya pa to ng Philippines if they'll just, really focus at tapos ang galaw nila mas mabilis than the usual.
Morado sets up Valdez. One more chance para sa Pilipinas. Jaja Santiago, unfortunately out of bounds.
Inaanggulo ni Jaja yung kanyang hit because she thought that the blockers were gonna go up in the middle, right in front of her. It was really wide.
We are at match point in set number 3. Kapit Bayan.
Good first ball.
See it to Jaja. Gets denied. A valiant stand para sa Pilipinas, but unfortunately Vietnam will get the stop and get the match winning in straight sets against Team Pilipinas. Pero para din sa Team Pilipinas, we had a slow start. We overcame it. We gave them a scare, and you can see the Filipinos dito sa Singapore, sinusuportahan ng walang humpay ang Team Pilipinas. Nakita nila ang ating palaban na puso ng mga balibulistang Pinay, and against a high-ranked team tulad ng Vietnam, ang Team Pilipinas nagpakita, lumaban ng buong tapang, ng buong puso.
And ito namang Team Philippines, pagaling ng pagaling siya per set. The first set, 25-16 sila. Second set, 25-21 ang Philippines. At ang third set, 25-23. So talagang nakukuha nila yung rhythm nila. And that was a really good job from Philippines considering we haven't really played in international competitions in such a long time. And nung nagko-congratulations ang isa't isa for a good game, Vietnam really had smiles on their faces because they acknowledged the effort of Philippines.
Hindi man tayo umusad papunta sa semifinals, I hope na ipinakita dito ng Team Pilipinas ang nakuha natin mula sa ating kapitbahay sa Southeast Asia, respect dito sa Southeast Asian Games. Sa ngalan ni Chicky Pablo and the rest of the hardworking men and women of Sports 5, ako si James Velasquez. We'll catch you on the rebound. Laban Pilipinas! Ito ang Southeast Asian Games on Sports 5.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, and Smart. Live more.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon,